Okay, how do you fix a microphone is in use? For example, you're using ChatGPT, you want to dictate something, and you get a pop-up here saying microphone is in use. It's not working. How do I fix this? Well, the easiest way is to open Device Manager, so hold the Windows key and press R. That will bring up the run command. Type in devmgmt.msc, click OK, and then the Device Manager will appear. Go to Inputs and Outputs for the audio, find your microphone for your computer or whichever microphone you're using, right click and disable the device. This will reset any microphone that's in use by any other software or anything on your system. It's very useful if you don't know which software is using it and you cannot figure this out and you don't want to restart your system. Now right click and enable the device, and that's going to refresh everything. Okay, if that doesn't work, we can go to the run command again, Windows key R, and type in services.msc and click enter. These are all the running services on your local system. These are hidden in the background. If we go all the way down to Windows Audio and right click and restart, this will reset all the hidden audio services in the background and click yes. It'll take a couple seconds, but eventually it's going to restart. Do the same with the Windows Audio Endpoint Builder. Restart that one as well. So that's going to reset all the background audio services on your system. Okay, now if this doesn't work, we can try one more thing. Windows key and I. This will bring up the settings or control panel for your system and type in microphone. Go to microphone privacy settings and just toggle this option right here, microphone access. Toggle it off for a few seconds and then toggle it back on. This should hopefully reset any permissions or access permissions for your microphone. Okay, if after all of that it is still not working, then you must have a piece of software using your microphone, or at least a piece of software running in the background using your microphone. So if you've restarted your computer and it still doesn't work, go to Windows key and R, type in task mgr, and then go to the Startup tab on the side. These are all the applications that start when Windows starts on your system. Anything that says enabled here will start with your computer. Check each one of these applications with enabled next to it to make sure they're not something which might be using a microphone. Common culprits could be OBS or anything using a microphone, for example Vegas Pro, Adobe Premiere Pro, or anything like that. It might be a situation where the software takes control of your microphone and it's not giving it back. Once you've identified something maybe in this list, you can right click and click disabled, and that means it won't start with your system. However, you can still start this manually once Windows is already loaded up, no problem at all. Once you've done this, restart your system and try again. Okay, so I've just restarted the computer. Let's see if it works again. And now it looks absolutely perfect. Look at that. So in my instance, I had an application running in the background of my computer. It was running as an application in the background, so I didn't know it was there. It was hiding down by the system clock down here, and it was grabbing access to my microphone. Now I've disabled that on Windows Startup. I can use my microphone and the application will still work. It's just that I have to open it manually from here on out. I hope the video helped you, and I'll see you in another video coming soon. Take care.